We're back at Stack Up Pays. Found a little 142 miner at the $1.50 bet. But we also have free play. So we got 120 cash, $30 free play. That's our first 20 spins on the house. Thank you, Venetian Palazzo. So we're going to see if we can profit. Again, 120 cash. Let's see where we end up. $27 in ingots. I like it. Should I count my spins? Spin 3, spin 4. I don't know that we're going to get this miner before 20 spins, so I'm not going to count. I suppose we could just randomly trigger it. Oh, we raised it up by 1. This game sometimes responds to fast spins, so I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Wow, that's responsive there with the lotus flowers. Highest paying symbol. Should have paid more than it. Ingots paid more. It's ways though. You get you get paid for each number that you have in each column. Go. So it really makes a difference when you double up on your symbols versus only having one on each column. I kind of explain it. Let's get some miners here. Hey, 17. Not bad. We're up $60. Good. There we go. Added another. We're 6 away. And it always seems to tease the one that that's the closest. Smart programming. Land one of those. Oh my. Tease. Land it. Oh, keep going. Need a little. One more lotus flower. That's a lot of ways, but again needed one in the 4th column. We are up $40. Mini's not in play until it gets closer to 120. Like, I mean, it's barely worth playing the mini. Often it doesn't pay well. I've had minis pay more than miners, and this game you never know what you're gonna get. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess? No, we got 5 on that one. Sweet. Let's close this out right now. Oh. We're still up money. We're up $33 cash. And we're gonna snap this miner right now. The next green that lands means we're in the bonus. So let's land it soon, please. So we can bounce with a little bit of profit on our $30 in free play. Hopefully. Snap it. I'm trying too hard. Let's just slow it down for a minute, shall we? I'm not showing you guys the other numbers because they're nowhere even close. We are now down money. We were up. We were hoping to hit it when we were up. We hit it when we're down $14. That's okay. We just need one good line hit. Be good. Match the symbols. Boy, the glare is very glary. Oh! $8. Need one in the back. Match it. Oh, the ingots. That would have paid. That would have done it. That would have definitely done it. Things pay well. Well, we made profit. We're profitable. Love it. Now surprise us with a juicy one. I mean, it is matching up some symbols here. Keep matching, matchy, matchy. Oh. Where are my wilds at? Oh, sorry. Lost the money there. Alright. Hit it hard on the last spin. Go! $20 on the last spin. We missed the lotus flower in the fourth column. Hey, we successfully converted our free play. That's all we really came to do. We turned our $120 into $153. So we made $33 off of our $30 in free play. That's a successful extraction. We're going to cash out and move on to the next opportunity. Keep your eyes out for Stack Up Pays. Best of luck, everyone. Pick 'em good. And we're back at Stack Up Pays. Yes, 100,000 ways you can be paid on this game. And that's what keeps me coming back to it. I mean, the potential of these massive line pays is what this game is all about. There's no other progressive jackpots or anything. It's all the monies in the grand and the mega. Mainly the mega, because if you take it all the way to 350, you're going to get 10 games with 35 expands, 100,000 ways on each one. But you can still make money on some grands. I've done it before. This grand is not yet in play. It's 22 away. We've got a mini minor to clear out here, so I'm only playing these because, I mean, minis and minors typically don't pay all that well. It's just not easy to match everything up when you don't have all the expands raised up situation. But we're going to clean these up, I assume. We'll see how it goes. If we bag the mini right away, we'll evaluate. But while we're cleaning up the lower levels, maybe we'll put this grand into play. We're going to need to get that a lot closer to 240, 10 away, in order to make the grand worth going for. We're at a 225 bet. The other thing I like about this situation right now is this is the minimum at nickels. Now that means pennies, 2 cents, nickels. Theoretically, I mean, the going information on the streets, you know, is that the nickel denom is a higher return to player percentage. It's just the higher denoms have higher returns. So being the minimum bet at nickels, we're hoping also gets a little more favorable results. Let's get some results going. 225 cash plus $20 free play. Thank you, Palms. We're at the Palms. Let's get spinning. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the first spin on the minor. So that's most likely going to be a double play here, mini minor, and we're hoping to land the grand surfboards. Yes, we are. We're going to play both mini and minor for sure now. And now we're looking for the grand to boost itself up. Put yourself in play. Or maybe we'll get a volcano. Wow, all right, we're collecting surfboards. See, I like the nickels. I like nickels. Don't you guys like nickels better than pennies? All right. We were landing a lot of surfboards, and we still are. Wow, we moved this minor up fast. Haven't landed a grand, $1 grand yet, so I don't know. We'll see. You never know what might happen on this game. One, 2, 3 on the grand, still way too far away. But that's good. 19 away. Yeah. Oh, land that grand. 1, 2, 3 on the mini. We're 5 away on the mini, 3 away on the minor. Well, that'll do it for the minor. All right, let's see if we can get all this in the shot here. You see the number of ways at the top and how many expands you have left. 10,000. Let's get at least one good lineup here. Come on, drums. Second. Oh, tiki. Yeah, the drums are the second highest symbol. We like drums. We like tikis too. 2 more chances here. Ooh, match it up. That was a good opportunity to match things up. All right, do better on the last spin. Come on. Matchy, matchy, tiki time. All right, $25 on the last spin. So, just back over 200. All right, we're $20. We're $20 down right now. That money, I don't know if that money's in the mini, but hopefully. Oh, we need a volcano, and then for it not to be the mini. I could have done it, but 24 gets us back close to 200. 1, 2, 3 on the mini. We're right there. Next blue surfboard could do it. And it did. Well, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. And even fewer expands here, but it just takes one good line hit. We need to make, $40. That's a big ask. It's a tall order, but one shot. $12 right there. Huh. Oh, the drums. It's just not enough ways at all. 1,200 ways? Come on. 6,700. Tiki time. Oh, $21. $21. Used a few more tikis. Oh, it didn't match anything. Match it this time. $6. Well, we did it. Oh, one more chance for profit. More profit. Line it up. $22.80 on the last spin, actually. That mini paid better than the minor, right? Look at that. Look at that. All right, we're not going to keep going after this grand. It's just too far away. There's no other combo numbers in play now. So I think it was a good use of our $20 in free play. We cleared out the mini minor and made $30. Almost $31 off of the $20 in free play. So that's why we did that. That's what happened. You saw it. You see the potential. Consider some combo plays. Maybe put something else, a chance of putting a larger thing in play, like the grand or the major, mega or major. So this game's all about putting yourself in position to get these top 2 bonuses anywhere you can. But highly volatile, know what you're getting into, because game has a huge range of pay, huge variance. So I wish you all the best of luck and pick 'em good. Welcome back, folks. Stack up pays. You know we like this game. We found a grand that's 236. It's not quite where we want it, but I see sparkles around the mega. Mini's not important, but it's there, Reset, minor, and major, not very good. But we're gonna play out this grand anyway. We're at the Caesars Palace in Las Vegas, and we haven't been on the Caesars properties in a while, so we figure, I'm a little upset. We figure, you know what? Let's play. Let's get some Caesars points. Maybe they'll invite us back for some more action. Hey, that's a good start. By the way, $1.50 bet, $300 in the machine, and we're up $10. Let's keep going up. We're looking for orange surfboards, any surfboards, and some volcano action too. Why not? And surfboard. Oh, Tiki's. That added one to the mega. It's at 303. Its must hit is 350, so we're pretty far away there. And it added another one to the mega. It's one at a time, and we got the minor. Yeah, minor's 104. Let's get expanding mode in here. I don't know, does this work for you guys? Let's start. Match the symbols. Oh. Alright, matching symbols. Raise it up, Tiki. Oh, we like Hula Girl. And we like coconut drinks. Oh, there were so many more coconuts up top. Wow. That would have been massive in a mega. Match it up, Tiki time. Oh, not quite. Alright, alright. Well, we're going to zoom back in here. It put us up. I mean, we're up $16, $17 here. I feel like I'm off center here. Sorry about that, folks. We're gonna get centered again. Very helpful to get some random bonuses. I mean, it's 3 ways to bonus. Surfboard, surfboard, and whatever progressive bonus. Get some volcano shake, or go to your must hit. We're looking for our first orange surfboard. Where is it? We've already seen a few megas, but where's the grand? Would have been a good time for the first grand to land. Yeah, I was hopeful we might land a first grand right away and pump it up like 4 or 5, and then we'd really be in qualification. One again on the mega. That's the randomness of this game. You don't know when you're going to land a surfboard, and it could add 1 to 5. So, you know, it's good to be tight on your numbers, but there's a little bit of play in these numbers, especially depending on where you're playing, because you're going to land more surfboards when you're at a higher RTP property. How about that grand? Bring it back. One, two, three, four, 5 that time. So now we're at 311 on the Mega. Still not in play, but as slow as this Grand's moving, we might put it in play. And that was kind of a thought I had. Wasn't my plan, but it was a potential outcome that the Mega might really start to move faster than the Grand. Oh my. I mean, I'd just like to get on the board with this thing though, you know? I didn't even give you guys the suspense. That's all right. We're about to get this volcano. It's gonna erupt any moment. Give us an early Mega. Wow, Caesar's Palace being a little stubborn with the Grand surfboards. Come on. Oh, Tiki. Grand Minor. Oh, great. All right. Here we go, 112. It's our second minor. What did we do last time? Like $30, $33, $34? Let's do better. All the tikis were everywhere up there. That would have been a huge... Bring them back. Oh, this would have been a mega bonus. Oh, come on. You can do better. We need a big hit on the last spin. Match up your symbols. You didn't match. Dang. Okay, well, Grand, Mega, you're next. Zoom back in here. That's probably the Mini next, but that's okay. It's our second surfboard bonus. We're ready for our first Kano. Volcano. We're down $100. Oh, man. We haven't landed one Grand surfboard. What? We finally landed two of them. We're at 238. $12 away from the must hit. We broke the Grand Seal. Let's land some more. Tikis are flowing. And it's our third minor surfboard. Wow. That's interesting. All right, hitting the button. Match them up. them up now. Ah, those drums can pay well. We didn't get through. Oh, the middle. $18. I don't know. We're happy to get another bonus. We're still $100 down. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 241. What's up? We're 9 away now. We broke the seal. Let's land some more. I mean, I appreciate we're getting all those minors. It's kind of giving us some more spins at least, keeping us relatively in the game. But we're almost down 100x, and I don't want to go down to there. I want to go back up. $8. Oh. Minor. I'm just expecting it to be minor every time. All right, Grand and Mini and Mega. A long way from that mega. Okay, there we go. 6 away on the mini. Major's nowhere close. 1, 2. 313 on the mega. It's still 37 away. And we got the mini. Here we go. Let's raise it up. Be good. Well, it's crooked, doesn't it? Sorry about that. All right, let's do something. Something good, match it up. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. It's a good start anyway. All right, we got a few tikis. Could have matched up better. That mini paid better than 2 of our minors anyway. It's our second best bonus. It's got us back to only 184. What the heck? But it helps. Yeah, can I get a Captain Morgan and Coke? Thank you. Couple cherries. Thank you. And can you bring a bottle of water too? Thank you. Hold on, folks. Just getting the tip money ready for our drink. Where were we? Trying to get this grand to land and to get our volcano to erupt. Only one on that grand there, but we'll take it. It's one less. So 8 away on the grand. We're at 242. That volcano's due to erupt at any moment. Oh, we added one again. We're 7 away now. I'm glad we're landing them, even if it is just one at a time. Okay. All right. Here we go again. What is this? Our 4th miner? Oh my gosh. All right, we're hitting the button. That's not the angle I had before. Let's try to get it all in there. There we go. All right, let's do better than that mini. Something up. Oh, we just missed. Oh my gosh. So many tikis. Please be good. We need something. Ah, $10 bonus. Ooh. That's an example of why you want to be careful chasing minors and minis, because they often don't pay very well. Grands and megas where the money is. Obviously mega. Raised up 100,000 ways on every spin. No one's played since you've been by. Grand! It was going by, but you know.
Mega.
What's up?
Yellow for the mega, not the grand.
Yeah. We want to shake that mega, right. Good point.
Very shaky.
Yeah, we're going to get the grand one way or another.
You almost have the grand, so it doesn't make sense to shake it.
That's right. But I'd also be fine to end it. But yeah, of course I want the mega.
However, if the mega gets to like 225, then you have to shake
325?
Yeah.
Maybe. Mega!
What number do you take?
Call for the mega. What's that?
What number do you usually take the mega?
It depends on where I'm playing. It's tough these days. Vegas is tough, man. I gotta go tighter on I gotta go higher on my numbers in certain places. Oh, yo, tiki time over there.
Here I feel like you can play like 325, 330.
Wow. I don't know. Go higher. Maybe we'll get there. Might put it in play, but yeah, usually I want 335 would be better, but hey, what's he gonna do? He's asking about where you... Okay. Oh, okay, he's giving this guy the numbers. He says 325, 240, 190. He was very specific about that. I've walked away from a 330 before. I know, I got a little shit for it on my... I'm sorry, flack. I got a little flack for it on my channel. It's a no-no. It's a highly volatile game. They can get stuck and you just don't know, but yeah. All the money's in the mega, it's true. I've had grands pay more than megas though. Go. Wow. It just takes that one line hit to connect. We're up to 315 on the mega. We're 10 away from the number that, you know, some people are saying 325. 25 can be a long stretch. Doesn't always go fast. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Cheers. We got our drinks. We're talking numbers. And there's people, there's guys walking around telling other people numbers. I mean, I get the 325 thing. These megas are super valuable. I get it, but yeah. Combo play. It's all about the combos. Well, let's get some more megas. Now I just want mega.
I wanted to play that cheaper sitting on there.
Yeah. Well, maybe she'll get up. She can keep stacking it for you. I hear you. We're slowly building this major. This guy's got me all thinking about stuff. I mean, it's a highly volatile game. Mega, red, mini. Okay. That guy's talking about the, I don't know, not important. Let's watch this bonus. He wanted to know my numbers. What do you take it at? It depends on a lot of things. Just gonna throw out random numbers. Come on. This guy was just walked by you talking numbers. All these people are talking numbers. They want to talk to me about numbers. This guy's showing this other guy numbers. He's like, yeah, so 325, 240, and 190. It's like very loudly telling this guy the numbers. And then this guy, we had a little debate about the numbers, man. Yeah, it's just a mini. You know, you say you'll take a 322? Depends on the other numbers. Woo! Danger. 320 all day? Look at these guys. I mean, if you play enough of them, you're going to hit some really big hits.
Yeah, as long as you don't lose 6,000. You're left to 21. Huh? No, so I played the one about 6,000. I played off.
No, he's a field player. He doesn't.
All the way up and I left at 321. He didn't do it. It was in 6 grand. I learned about 6,000.
We added one to the mega. I'm sorry, we added one to the grand. And we're still at 315 on this mega. I don't see how we're gonna get that into play. It's my telescopic lens. Minor! I just want to keep getting minors. Got 4 of those now, and no volcanoes. Volcano? Finally. All right. What's it gonna? We want mega for sure. We want mega. All right. I want to keep the mega in this shot here. What about that mega? It's another mini. Is it predetermined? I think it's predetermined. Maybe it's not predetermined. We're hitting the button. We're talking numbers and we're hitting the button. Well, we got a little bit of the tikis there. You know, I can't complain about a $20 bonus at this bet level. We got our first volcano. We're happy about that. Now let's get this mega. We got to get this mega into play. Now that I know you guys want 320 megas all day, I'm going to be calling you a little few more. Go, baby. What was that?
60 bucks.
It's $43, and we did raise the grand up by, man, at least 2. I pulled my charger, guys. That was a mess of recording right there. All right, sorry. That was a lot of good stuff. That just happened. Forgot I had that plugged in. Wow, that was interesting. Volcano? Well, we're 4 away on the grand. I just added 1 to that mega. It's so far away.
Mega bound.
And another 1. Why can't it add 5 and make my decision easier? My decision's pretty easy. I don't play 320 megas usually, especially in this town. Put him to work. I don't know. He claims he's a player, but I don't know. I don't know if that's his claim, actually.
Oh, here we go. We're ready to roll, baby.
We just added, oh my God, that's phone charger. I'm so sorry, guys. We just added 5 to the mega. We are 28 away, and we're still 4 away on this pesky grand. That's allowed us to put the mega almost in play. What is in play? 320? All right, well, it's 323 now. I mean, I might just go anyway, just no matter what, because
It's good content for our viewers.
I mean, it's a $1.50 bet, but
What are you telling me about the reach? Yeah, right.
really depends on where I'm at after this grand.
I thought that was a joke.
Oh, I had 100x in, $150 in the machine. It's a $1.50 bet. I gotta reload, folks. Be right back. All right, we're back, folks. We put another $300 in, so we're in for $600 at a $1.50 bet. And this might mean that we gotta finish and go for this mega.
40 is good.
I'm just gonna show you guys again. I mean, I don't know. 323 and 346. I want to see a couple more red surfboards would really help. Whoa, do you guys feel that rumble? Sorry about all the shaky camera work, folks. All right. Let's get back in the zone here. That's how you do that. As soon as they started fast spinning, I hit the grand. Well, you know, now we got a decision to make, but I got people behind me that are salivating over that 323 mega, so I don't know. Let's see how this grand goes. Let's get our money back, raise it up, and match it up. Let's go. Yeah. The Tiki and Rogue column 2. I need $300. One spin could do it. One spin can do a lot. coconut drinks and torches. It's 30 bucks, $30. Just over the threshold of the haywire pay. We'll take it. Keep matching them up. Another $21 in drums. All right, all the money's, it's all on the line here on the last spin. Fully raised up, 100,000 wins. And it busted, $25. Ah, jeez. You know, I don't really like it. This 323 by itself. Oh, that looks like a long way away, folks. I think we're gonna pass. If we had just done another 5-pack, maybe. And that's the interesting thing. I could land a mega on the next spin. Adds 5 more. Would I play it then? You know, that's the rough part about this. So if we quit now, we're gonna book a little over a $200 loss. It was a low grand. I did play the grand, saying, "Hey, look at that mega. It could put itself into play." But I just don't think it's good enough. So for that reason, I think the smart thing to do is pass on this and find a stronger opportunity. So I believe that's what we're gonna do. What would you guys do? Let me know below if you what do you think about these 320, 325 numbers? Sounds pretty low to me for Caesar's Palace in Las Vegas, some other strip properties, but you guys let me know what you think about that. And keep your eyes out, folks. Best of luck. Pick 'em good.